Hi, and welcome to day 12 of documenting my journey for 1 year. And today I spent most of my time learning how to use Claude Code or other LLMs more efficiently. At first, we always think about AI is about choosing the smartest model you could actually opt for to improve your work, to improve your efficiency. But it's about choosing a perfect team, choosing different models and giving them different responsibilities to work together. And think of it like a software team. One model acts as a tech lead, it plans the project and it decides what's need to be done right now. Another model focuses on deep reasoning and to solving complex problems. And third model handles repetitive tasks like writing a boilerplate code, formatting your code, making it more efficient, reducing the number of lines of your code. And another model gives it a completely different perspective. It's like asking a senior developer in your team to review the code written by you, to ask some another approach for the code, another approach for the design of your application. Let's take example of Claude. For example, you're building a full stack application. You can use Fable as your orchestrator, which reasons, which thinks about what to do and how to do. You can use Opus as your coding agent and Sonnet as your design agent. These all three models, when worked distinctively, works at their peak, at their very best. And you can use ChatGPT's Codex for alternative reasoning to evaluate your approaches used by the models. This will help to reduce your token usage drastically and will also improve the efficiency of your application. And implementing this plan doesn't only helps you to improve your efficiency, but it also reduces the token usage. As now you are providing each model with their own subtask rather than having each model to carry a complex memory, complex plan for building an application. It's about designing a workflow where multiple models can collaborate like a real engineering team. And I'll leave the resources and the setup in the description. If you want to explore, you can explore by yourself. And that's all for day 12. I'll see you on day 13. Until then, keep building.